Are you struggling to keep up with your mortgage payments? Do you feel like you're drowning in debt? Well, you're not alone. Millions of homeowners are facing the same challenges. But don't worry, there are ways to save money on your mortgage and get back on track. In this video, we'll show you 5 proven strategies to help you save money on your mortgage. From refinancing to negotiating with your lender, we'll cover everything you need to know to reduce your monthly payments and save thousands of dollars in interest. So, let's get started and take control of your mortgage payment. One of the most effective ways to save money on your mortgage is to refinance your loan. Refinancing means replacing your current mortgage with a new one that has better terms and interest rates. To start the process, you'll need to find a reputable mortgage broker who can help you navigate the complex world of refinancing. They'll review your financial situation and recommend the best financing options for you. If you decide to refinance, you'll need to complete a new loan application and provide documentation such as income statements, tax returns, and credit reports. Once approved, you'll need to sign the new loan agreement and pay closing costs. By refinancing, you can lower your monthly payments, reduce your interest rate, and even shorten the term of your loan. This can save you thousands of dollars over the life of your mortgage. So, if you're struggling to keep up with your mortgage payments, consider refinancing as a way to save money and get back on track. Another way to save money on your mortgage is to make extra payments. By paying more than your minimum monthly payment, you can reduce the amount of interest you pay over the life of your loan. To make extra payments, simply write a check for the additional amount and include a note that it's for principal only. This will ensure that the extra payment goes towards paying down the principal balance of your loan. By making extra payments, you can save thousands of dollars in interest and pay off your mortgage faster. Just be sure to check with your lender to make sure there are no prepayment penalties. So, if you have some extra cash, consider making extra payments towards your mortgage to save money and pay off your loan faster. If you're struggling to keep up with your mortgage payments, don't be afraid to negotiate with your lender. Many lenders are willing to work with homeowners to find a solution that works for both parties. To start the negotiation process, contact your lender and explain your situation. Be honest and transparent about your financial difficulties and ask if they can offer any assistance. Your lender may be able to offer you a loan modification, which can lower your monthly payments and interest rate. They may also be willing to temporarily suspend your payments or offer a forbearance plan. By negotiating with your lender, you can save money on your mortgage and avoid foreclosure. So don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help. Finally, if you're struggling to keep up with your mortgage payments, consider cutting expenses to free up some cash. By reducing your monthly expenses, you can put more money towards your mortgage and save money in the long run. Start by cutting back on non-essential expenses such as eating out, buying coffee, or going to the movies. Instead, cook at home, make your own coffee, and find free or low-cost entertainment options. You can also save money by negotiating your bills, such as your cable or phone bill. Call your service providers and ask if they can offer you a better rate or a discount. By cutting expenses, you can free up more money to put towards your mortgage and save money in the long run. So take a hard look at your budget and see where you can make some cuts. By following these 5 strategies, you can save money on your mortgage and get back on track. So take action today and start taking control of your finances.